Alright guys, so I'm getting ready for a tournament. Taking the boat out for the first time for this year. I've had it covered up, but some water still got on below, or got into the boat itself. So, riddle me this. I have no plug, there's no hole in this boat yet or anything. I've got some water here. The bilge pump that I pulled out of this boat, if you guys ever watched the tiny boat update, I pulled the bilge pump out of the boat. That was wired up to the main battery, but I'm running a lot smaller battery now that's just for weight reduction. So this is not the battery, but portable bilge pump box. Maybe the next box that I build, who knows? You guys know that I build battery boxes for camping and stuff like that, and I've done a couple of them on the channel, so little sneak peek, maybe we'll do that in the future. Alright guys, you just witnessed the very first time this truck, or this boat, has been hooked up to this truck. So awesome. It's ridiculously nice out today. There we go. Heck yeah. So tomorrow morning is the tournament. We're gonna be truck camping at the site tonight, so that'll be really cool. Haven't done that, have never camped before the tournament before. This is a once every year, it's called Higgins Challenge. It's just between myself and a bunch of our friends, so it's always a ton of fun. So we're gonna be truck camping a little bit tonight, and that'll be a separate video, but I'll be getting everything ready today. I'm gonna be hauling a couple kayaks with me today, so I'm gonna put the kayaks on top of the boat and strap everything down. And then as far as the truck camping setup, everything's still set from last weekend. If you guys saw that video, we did a secluded truck camping video out on one of my brother's pieces of property. That's more or less, we're gonna build that piece of property up into a campground. So guys, stay tuned for that one. That's going to be pretty cool. You're going to just do some clearing work and stuff like that, make sure to maintain the grass and all that down there. So this is all set up. I even have snacks and everything still in there from last weekend, so all I have to do is throw my pillow and my blanket in there. This was the first time I've ever stored the truck in the building. We just had this building put up by Reliable Metal Buildings out of Ohio, so they had some installers come from Ohio to Michigan and put this thing up. So it's like literally just long enough for the truck to fit in, with like inches on either end, and I pretty much had to stick to that footprint of a building for my township code. I'm maxed out on buildings capacity now, so, or building size for my lot footprint. So we're gonna be getting everything ready, so guys, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Been looking forward to this weekend for a long time. Pretty much since the last one last year. We always look forward to that. So the buy-in is $25. We're going to be doing 2.5 hours of fishing in the morning, so that's where the boat comes into play, and everybody has to bring their own equipment, so I won't have anyone fishing with me. The other people in the kayaks, and I'm going to bring my brother and my wife will be in kayaks, so they're going to be bringing all the rest of their own equipment, and they can pretty much, everybody fends for themselves, so it's a really cool deal. Bedding check. This is something I'm a little scared about. I usually just bungee cord my rods down in the boat, but I'm gonna be hauling a couple kayaks too. So I've gotta put some thought into that so I don't ruin my rods. I'm gonna at least get them in the boat now and then test load the kayaks. If I can keep them tight to the inside of the boat, maybe that'll help. Not sure yet. Almost lost some rods. Pay no attention to that. That'll be okay. Strap it tight to the seat and then it won't touch the rods. Show you guys. Yeah, so it'll be, I think it'll be okay. Once it's strapped tight, it'll be okay. As long as it stays on that seat, but we can strap it accordingly. Not bad. I put some life vests in here. I'll bungee cord my rods down before I put everything else on. I have one more kayak to get out, but I have to clean it out first. Heck yeah, going accordingly so far. Okay guys, so I got everything strapped down here on the trailer, the boat, a couple kayaks, all my fishing stuff. I've got two compound bows in the back of the truck. Got my drinks and food in the coolers. So, ready to rock. Pretty much be doing this all weekend, so guys stay tuned for some upcoming videos, some really cool stuff. Like I said, we have truck camping coming up and probably be a couple fishing videos. I haven't had one of those in a while. So again, I'm Justin with JB Outdoors. Spend more time outdoors. We'll see you guys on the next video.